Hello, my name is Arif Irfanullah, and in this brief clip, I will share some advice on preparing for the Level 2 exam with 3 months left for your exam. My advice is based on 3 points. The first point is that you need to get on schedule. If you already have a schedule, that's great. Make sure that you stick to your schedule. If you don't have a schedule, then make one. Your schedule should be based on your current level of preparation. If you started your studies on time, then I would recommend that you make a schedule such that you complete at least one round of the curriculum 6 weeks before your exam date. You should reserve these last 6 weeks for review and practice. Now, if your situation is that you started late and you are currently struggling, then you still need to make a schedule. In this situation, create a schedule such that you get done with the first round of the curriculum at least 4 weeks from your exam date. Even in the worst case scenario, you need to give yourself at least 3 weeks for your final review and practice. And those 3 weeks at the end are crucial because no matter how much you have studied, when you review at the end and do lots of practice, that really helps you on the exam. So make sure you have at least 3 weeks of review and practice before the actual exam. My second point has to do with active learning. Different people learn in different ways. You might be listening to my videos, you might be reading the curriculum, you might be reading IFT notes. So whatever you are doing, to study smart, you need to do it actively. Learning actively means that as you learn a concept or as you understand a concept, you need to do some practice questions. It's only when you do questions that you truly internalize a concept. We have made this somewhat easy for you. On IFT's learning portal, after completing every video lecture, you will get a summary slide which you should read carefully. After reading the summary slide, take the short quiz that's presented to you to truly grasp the concepts that have been taught in the video. After completing all the videos for a given reading, I strongly recommend that you test your understanding of the overall reading. You can use the IFT question bank and you can also work through the practice problems that are at the end of every reading in the curriculum. While you are going through a particular reading, you can also review the examples that are presented in the curriculum or the examples in the IFT study notes. Just make sure that as you are studying, you are also solving questions. My third point is that you must make the most of CFA Institute questions. CFA Institute is making your exam, and therefore it is essential that you do all the questions that the CFA Institute is giving you. I've already talked about the examples which are in the curriculum, but then we also have practice problems at the end of every reading. Make sure you do those practice problems. The CFA Institute also makes online assessments available for you. You can access these assessments through the CFA Institute website. The assessments are organized by topic. So when you complete a given topic, make sure you do the questions on the CFA Institute website related to that topic. So that is it for now. I will be sharing advice with you every month, and in later months, I will also talk about mock exams. But for now, make sure you are getting on schedule and that you are learning actively and that you are making the most of the questions that CFA Institute is providing you. Best of luck with your studies.